Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an exhaust manifold leak on a Ram 1500. First, identify the leak by listening for a distinct ticking or hissing sound that often gets louder when the engine is cold. Also, check for exhaust fumes inside your truck's cabin. Visually inspect the manifold for any black soot, which clearly indicates a leak, and ensure all mounting bolts are tight. This initial check is crucial. Before starting, gather your tools like a socket set, wrenches, and a torque wrench. You'll also need new manifold gaskets and bolts. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your truck's battery and ensure the engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Applying penetrating oil to the old bolts a few hours prior will make removal much easier. Now let's remove the old manifold. Begin by carefully detaching any components that block access, such as heat shields or spark plug wires. Then, slowly unbolt the manifold from the cylinder head, working from the outside in. Disconnect the exhaust pipe from the manifold flange. Finally, meticulously clean the cylinder head's mating surface to ensure a perfect seal for the new gasket. With the surface clean, install your new gaskets and the replacement manifold. Tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, working in a specific pattern, usually from the center outwards. Reconnect the exhaust pipe and all other components you removed. Start your Ram 1500 and listen closely for any leaks. A quick visual check or smoke test will confirm a successful repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.